Hello, good morning, my beloved students. Let me introduce. I am Dr. Satyaki Bhattacharya, having a 19 years as a professor. I joined these in Jadavpur University in the year 2006, that means 15 years. I hope you will enjoy my lecture about no theory, only for the examination. Let me start with this one. I have a background also in the IITs, in the engineering background, and also in science, about the applied physics PhD. My student, after 15 years, 75,000 students have got grade cards in my signature as a control exam. Probably it maybe comes to the record as for the other control exams in the university having the 15 years. So I'm proud of that. As working as a control exam in Jadavpur University, is a 5-star university, Center of Excellence, and obviously I have a 75 out of 75,000, majority students are working in a very top level throughout the world. And say 60% students are majority students now are going to the abroad for the studies. So I am a part of that one. I never build up the students, but the teachers, stalwart teachers, build up the students, and I am helping by publishing their results, by cooperating for others. The students having the UG undergraduate is having a 4 years having the 2 semesters for a year. One is having an odd semester and one is having even semester. Now you are entering to the odd semester of first year, and obviously you will start your career with the first year. First year odd semester will start from July, and December it will be closed. And from January, after the January, the even semester will come. Now we are having internal assessment, 2 internal assessments in your odd semester, and again you will have a 2 internal assessment for the even semester. You have as per the rule, due curriculum, and you know that the curriculum started from 2018, and now the third year is having in the curriculum, and you are now first year in the new curriculum. You have to complete 20.5 about say 21st, 21 or 22 like this credits for each semester. What is credit? Credit means number of classes in a week. What is the credit means? Number of classes credit means, say 4 means you are having a 4 number of classes in a week for the theoretical, and for practical is the credit is having the half. That means when 4 credits having a If you have a 4 classes, then the credit will be 2. Again I am repeating. If you have a 4 classes, for the theoretical it will be 4 credit. If you are having a 4 classes for the practical, you will get a 2 credits. Now starting with the credit. No credit for the students, only to get a credits. It started. For this pandemic, you don't have. Now let me start. You have a after the end of odd semester. You will be a final exam, odd semester exam. After getting the 2 internal exams, it's either in online as per UGC rule, and when the pandemic is gone, we'll come to the normal, the offline. You have to appear in the classes. And for God's sake, the pandemic should come, get out, and you will go in the classes, and you will go for the taking the appeared in the classes. Now this first year odd sem or first year having the 20 credits. Now you go for the second semester or your odd semester for the even semester for the first year. Incoming from January to June. And you have to appear in the April, May like this. Around it is closing about the April, May. Though the session is from July to June, but you have to appear for the April. Okay. Now for second year, how can I go to the second year? After having odd semester exam and even semester or exam of your first year, you will be automatically promoted to the second year, except one very sensitive points. You must aware of that one. I'm giving the single finger. The student must have to get pass in the sessional. Sessional means daily to daily in the session, either in the lab or tutorial or whatever it may be, is called the sessional, and you have to must pass out sessional, for which the sessional must be passed. If any subject sessional, if any student failed, then he will not be promoted. That the sessional pass is mandatory for promotion, but theoretical failed is not a mandatory for promoted. A student, suppose a student is having any subjects, theoretical subject failed, he will be promoted. In the first year, you have other department subjects, physics, chemistry, mathematics, geology, communicative English from the Faculty of Arts, and then other in the some departmental subjects. Jadavpur University having 4 faculties. Faculty of Engineering, you are in now. Faculty of Arts for the communicative English or sociology. And also Faculty of Science, Physics, Chemistry, Mathematics, Geology. Then you have to go through these subjects. For Physics, Chemistry, Mathematics, you have a practical. Just know that thing. For practical, 40% pass. But practical is not a sessional. But for sessional, the pass is 50%. And for theoretical, pass is 40%. Now, either you got a 40% for each subject, you will get pass theory, you got 40%, 40% in practical of physics chemistry or any that departmental, other departmental practical, you have to pass for the 40%. Though in this time of pandemic, there is no supplementary exam, but as per rule, there is a first odd semester supplementary after publication of the results, and there will be a even semester supply. That means you have a 4 exams in the normal schedule. At this pandemic, you have a 2 exam, odd sem, even sem, as per UGC rules, either online or offline, whatever it may be, come to the online, which were online. Obviously, it's online. Then, in the normal cases, it will be a 4 subjects, a 4 exams. Sorry. Now let me start. For first year, going to the promoted to the second year, the same as in the first year. After second year, the same you are giving the same with coming to the third year. Now, after starting for the third year, there is some courses, additional courses, which is for the honors courses. From third year odd even and fourth year odd even, there will be the honors courses. Total 20 credits you have to complete for the honors courses. If you failed in honors, it's not a mandatory. Again, I am repeating. If you failed in honors, it's not a mandatory. If you pass, you will get an honor for the honors. What means? Suppose you are having at least around 201 to 2-3 courses for the honors for the semesters, say having 2 semesters. So you have to, if you go for all the courses for the only grade card, it will be mentioned as honors subject. So third year, both the semesters, honors must be honors just written for the courses. If you have to course for a particular, you have to pass both the subjects, all the subjects in that. Then it will be mentioned. But it will not be mentioned you failed in honors subjects. Only it will be mentioned that you have cleared pass to the subjects is called the honors subjects. Is it okay? For the honors subjects, you will get an honor. Now let me start. From the first year, again I am coming back to the first year of you. We have a JUMS, Jadavpur University Management System, starting from the 2017-18 around. It's for the every starting from the admission to the result publication, provisional certificates, course curriculum certificates, online payment, everything is be done through the JUMS, and you have a single portal for each student. A student having a portal, having a user ID, and also they can log in and they can change the password. The student can get time to time informations about the exam, about the form fill up, about the admit card, about the result. Student will get the gate card. After that, at the end of whatever, maybe you will get the other informations. Student will, after publication of the result, immediately they will get the grade card duly signed by me, control of exams. Now, note down. When this gate card, you got the gate card, is valid for the 6 months. You will also get the hard copy of the gate card from our examination counter. So you can download and you can use, you can get for the within 6 months, and then you'll get the hard copy. I'm giving the is underline. I'm giving underline. The student immediately download the gate card and keep it a record. If you have, must check it. If you have any problems, if you have any, if you require any correction, the student can directly come to the exam department. Exam department, I am sitting Aravinda Bhavan, just opposite of gate number 1, first floor, is single wings fully for the exam department. Exam department having a science cell, art cell, engineering cell, transcript cell, also PA, one assistant controller, then ultimately we have to see my face as a control of exams. So you can download the gate card, or any problem regarding if something you are getting any problem, so you can come directly to the exam department. Now, third year you are now. Then you'll go to the fourth year. Fourth year is the final year. But listen to again coming back to the first year. Those students, less number of failed in the subjects, they will carry with the bag and baggage is having the more number of failed subjects at the fourth year. That means a student having a 4 failed in the first year and then 2 in the second year, they must have to clear this in the second year. Otherwise, they have to carry forward of these all failed subjects. They are having the good marks. They are having everything. They are having at the end of the fourth year. Now, at the time of result for first year, second year, third year, fourth year, you will not get any marks. Even I was in IITs, I never got any marks for the IITs. Only the grade points of A, B, C, D, E. Above 90%, you will get A, and like this, 80 to 90, 70 to 80, 60 to 70, 50 to 60, then 40 to 50, and below 40 you will get failed. That means the 40 is the pass marks. You will get a grading point A, B, C, D, not a marks. At the end of the odd semester result, you will get semester grade point average. It's a universal for the throughout the world. Now, Jadavpur University is following the SGPA, semester grade point average, and cumulative grade point average. Semester grade points average means multiplied by the summation of credit points and the grade points. You will get the rules as per your brochure. So you will get the CGP, SGPA. After odd and even semester, you will get the cumulative grade point average. Now, you have a non-departmental subjects is more, and you are just entering into the Jadavpur University. You will giving some relaxation about. If you will give the relaxation for the physics, chemistry, it's mathematics, then coming down, this weighted average of this every semester at the time of aggregate at a final semester. That means higher the classes, higher the year, you will get the weightage more, but you have to get weightage for the every year. At the end of fourth year, if we take the weightage, it is coming 0.1 for the first year, both the semesters, 0.2 for the second year, both the semesters, odd even, third year, 0.35 for both the semesters, Fourth year, 0.35 for both the semesters. What is coming? 0.1 plus 0.2, 0.35 into 0.35. 0.1 multiply, you go for the total overall, it is coming the 1. It's called the statistical calculations. It's got the weighted average. You will get a weighted average 0.1, 0.2, 0.35, 0.35 for these 4 years. Weighted average percentage of marks. The merit list is given. That means in the final year you are getting the 90% marks, 95% marks. You are not getting stand fast. Fast means highest weighted average of the student. Fast means highest weighted average of the students. And that means first year, second year, third year, fourth year having the weighted average topper is called the. Now, if you already mentioned, for third year, fourth year, you have some honors courses, 20 credits. If you complete 20 credits having passed, in that fourth year, it will be mentioned as first class distinction. 65% is the first class. So you have to get for first class, you have to 65%. Below 65, you will get the second classes. No such third classes. Jadavpur never entertaining for the third class. Only for the first class and the second class. First class is 65% above. Student having the honors courses, they will get, completing all the honors courses, having the passed, they will get a first class with distinction marks. If the student is having 75% marks weighted average aggregate, then the student will get first class with honors. That means, again I am repeating, the student is in weighted average aggregate is 75%. Student will get after first class honors. So one is a first class, second class, weighted average is 75%. At the top, first class with honors, weighted average below 75%. Complete all the honors courses, 20 credits in the third year, fourth year, it will be mentioned first class with distinction. Is it okay? After publication of the final year result, students have to make a clearance for all this, like this, to get a provisional certificate. You have the provisional certificates. Everything you get in your own portal. Is 3 months after passing this, 3 months valid for this portal, and then the portal will be demolished. So obviously you will get a provisional certificate, course completion certificate, whatever it may be. Then you will get the final degree certificate, hard copy, in the date 24th December in each and every year. 24th December is the convocation date. You will get the degree. Not only degree, if you are get the topper within the department, that means highest weighted average percentage, then you will get the topper. You will get a gold medal from the university. Not only university medals, we have more than 180 medals we are offering. Only for the topper, university medal, and also there are the other endowment medals. Means one is offering the endowment medal on his or her father's name, mother's name, grandfather's names, or whatever it may be, is endowment medal. So we are offering at the time of convocation, we are offering the endowment medal and university medal. I hope I'm completing about this from first year to fourth year. Let us come gradually from first year to second year to third year to fourth year. Student, again I am repeating. If you believe that you can enjoy your life, you can enjoy your study, you can enjoy the Jadavpur University, and the students is always having the fellow feelings. There is a students union, they are each and every fighting for each and every students. And we have a very good relation with the students union, every students. So take life seriously, but don't take serious life. Not like that they throughout the day, throughout the night, you have to make a study. I never did it. Whatever the success we got it, whatever the stalwart professors got in any university, in our Jadavpur University, any good universities and stars, 5 stars universities, Center of Excellence universities, we are very. They never take the throughout the whole day having a study, play, free mind. But you have to know that nobody will make you pass. Control exam can't make anybody pass. Teacher can't make anybody pass, except the student has good a pass marks. They never even get a failed. That means it's a failure. You are not a Robert Bruce. The failure is not for the student. The failure is the success is not like that. I'm telling you. Now I'm speaking in English for the last 30 years, 40 years. When I have gone to the IIT Delhi, I can't speak in English. We have a communication in English. You should try for that one. For the interview, its English is very important. You have to speak in English. At least go for the interview. We have a very good, strong training and placement. Because the training and placement, cream of the companies, taking the cream of the students. So you must be in part of this cream of the students. Now, so that you will get success, there are few points. For transcript, you student from the third year, you can appear for the foreign universities for PhD, for higher studies, MS, for MBA. Students are CAT, appearing for the management, appearing for the CAT, and getting a very successful result for this student appearing for the CAT. Now, for transcript for the abroad, it's just a replica of a good replica in details of a grade card. In a sealed cover, the student can send this transcript. So we have a very quick method of getting the transcript. In other universities, I know that it's lots of difficulties of getting sometimes getting a time. But for ourselves, we are spending time. We are mentioning that it's a 15 days or like this. As quick as possible, we are having the transcript. For transcript, from third year, you pay for the online. Now, coming to the transcript, including the other parts, in the Jadavpur University website, you will get a examination link. mentioned from 2007. 2007 is prepared by us. You having a lot of sublink. First sublink is the merit list archive from 1956 till 2020. You will not get 2020, but 2019, but 2020, yes, we are waiting for the upload. For merit list archive, all the students have got degree awarded. What I am mentioning, 75,000 more than students. Starting from each and every students who has got the degrees in the merit list archive. We have a online for the transcript, for the duplicate gate cards or any duplicate certificates. Duplicate certificate is given second time, not for the third time. Student, it's a common thing that whenever you got a gate card in the downloaded, you are thinking, this is my experience for the last 15 years. You are thinking not to go to the counter. Okay, I am getting this download. After getting for service or higher studies, then the students, without collecting the gate card, then again they have to apply for the duplicate gate card, as because after 1 year, now we are diminishing to the say 6 to 8 months. Now the gate card will be destroyed. Your gate card after 1 year. That means from first year, after getting the gate card hard copy, printing date 1 year is valid. So after 1 year it will be it will be destroyed. My students, it's not an intention to stop this gate card in our counter, to increase the more number of gate cards in the counter without receiving by you. You come and collect it for the gate card. I hope I have already tried to make it cover. So one thing I mentioned about the credit transfer. You have a dream. Dream means you will go to the abroad for the higher studies. Within this 4th year, you can go. Suppose you go, you will get a scholarship for the foreign universities. For the 2 semesters, 1 year, you can go to the foreign universities. And when you will come back from the foreign universities, then their credits will be transferred. Their credits and grades, everything will be transferred, and it will be calculated as per Jadavpur University norms. Jadavpur University rule. Or it will also, foreign students are coming here to study with you, the credit will be transferred from Jadavpur University to that foreign student. So that means credit transfer will be transferred from Jadavpur University or from abroad universities. So credit transfer procedure is there. Lastly, after making it summing up, there is every way there is a unfair and fair. A few students is doing some unfair means in the exam, even in the online. They believe that, okay, online the teacher cannot get it, cannot guess it. So we have a committee of report against committee. If the student has got report against committee and the one faculty is making a report against that student, it will be placed in the report against committee. It is the chairman of the dean of the students, and I am the member secretary, and there is lots of members or faculties, honorable faculties are there. So in RA committee decision is final and no consideration. Even throughout the semester, you can get failed for RA committee if only for a single unfair means. It will be four to six subjects may be cancelled. So must remember, how can I going to make it to you the cream of the students of the West Bengal who are coming to the Jadavpur University? How can I say they don't go for the unfair means? But it must be a lot of the unfair means, because you will be destroy your career only by getting a unfair means for the single student. The whole semester will be cancelled. We have a lot of scholarships there. We have a rank is there. And believe it, don't hesitate. Those who are coming from the village or interiors, very good students are coming here. Don't get hesitate to mix it up with the city, students of the city. They are all the same. Remember me, I have also come from a village to the IIT Delhi. At the first time I already mentioned that I couldn't speak. But don't say or don't hesitate that you will make it you will make it behind of the other students. You are the brilliant students. Brilliant students never make the category for the city or village. Brilliant students based on the result. So if you will make a study, you will get good results. Either from the interior or from the city or from Kolkata or Mufasal or urban, whatever it may be. My students, I make it board for the 37 minutes for more than that. I'm very anxious about the students' future. Whatever it may be, this pandemic, everything. Our time passed from the more than I am coming to teaching to 60. Students have to build up their career along with this, all this fighting with this, everything. You are in a good university, stalwart faculties, center of excellence, and last but the least, you are in a university, best university in West Bengal, having the stalwart Professor Suranjan Das, Honorable Vice Chancellor. And if you know something about, if you can to ask anybody about Professor Suranjan Das, our Honorable Vice Chancellor, you can get it. It never to speak anything. Even he's writing so books. Is having a costume more than dollars. He's coming from the history, but he has everything in his grip. Even our single steps, even single step of the students, even single problem of the students, even single problem of the university staffs, even single problem of the faculties is doing by the Professor Suranjan Das, our Honorable Vice Chancellor. I have a best regards to him. And best regards, we have a very good relation with the faculties. Students, enjoy. Again, I am repeating, take life seriously. You have to competitive life, but don't take serious life. See the film, enjoy film, enjoy your friends. Your friends are not the enemy. We are not the enemies. I never regret. Honorable Vice Chancellor never regret. Not a single one. His door is opened. Even not for a sleep for that one to get a meet with the Honorable Vice Chancellor for any problems. We believe in that philosophy. Our exam department believe on that philosophy. I am at the head of the family of the head of the exam family, and my overall my one, Professor Samantak Das, Vice Chancellor, is the head of the exam. He is looking after, he is giving guide. So you can come to any Professor Samantak Das as a Vice Chancellor. You can come to me, you can come to any staffs. I hope that even after giving a result, even after giving the my lectures of the 40 minutes, so please come to me. Please come to us. And last of the meat of the life, my last 15 years, good students, they're never trying to meet me. They're only coming to the counter and get cards and transcripts. I always tell them that after publishing the results, good students are coming to, the meritorious students, majority, are coming after passing the degree, are coming for the transcript. Very few students, those are getting help for the results and everything. Very few students. So I hope that you should not be out of this very few, and you will be very good. Best of life. Never get frustrated. Never get frustrated. I cross a lot of problems, but never get frustrated. If you are frustrated, if you are in our mood, tell to your parents, also tell to us. You know that lots of students, probably especially for me, coming at the evening, their personal problems are coming to me to say the problems. Students, please, you are same as per my son, same as my son, same as my daughters. So, long live Jadavpur University. You take your good life, good careers, and minimum number of failed and maximum number of passed. So again, I'll meet you at the time of end this semester. Thank you.